Uncertain times and a constantly changing world demand that Asian countries prepare for the challenges of the future. Asian Productivity Organization rose to the occasion to stir productivity for sustainable economic growth of the region. An intergovernmental organization, it was established to increase productivity in the Asia-Pacific region. With 21 members, APO is shaping the future of the region. It acts as a catalyst to contribute to the sustainable socio-economic development of its members. The APO spearheads strategies and programs to sustain productivity growth for long-term socio-economic development. It has been providing support to its member countries to drive their productivity movement since its inception in 1961. The global economic environment has changed drastically. New, pressing challenges have surged, many of them unprecedented, underlining the precariousness of our global economy. To address the latest challenges faced by the region and its member countries, APO formulated Vision 2025, emphasizing inclusive, innovation-led productivity growth in the Asia-Pacific. This vision has three goals: sustained productivity growth, robust innovation systems, and inclusive engagement and shared prosperity. The APO focus areas includes centrality of productivity, innovation for productivity, inclusive productivity, regional catalyst, strengthening NPOs and policy advisory. Vision 2025 is the outcome of collaborative efforts among APO members. It constitutes the outcomes that the APO hopes to achieve by the end of 2025, the roadmap for achieving them, and the indicators and measurements to confirm the outcomes. It represents the collective ownership of member countries and their renewed commitment to improving productivity with support from the APO. In Pakistan, National Productivity Organization (NPO) promotes productivity and quality consciousness among public and private sector organizations. It also undertakes smart initiatives in the industry, agriculture, service, and public sector. NPO, working as a liaison office of APO in Pakistan, is striving for an economically productive and globally competitive Pakistan. The NPO in each member country is expected to take the lead in efforts to achieve the goals of Vision 2025. APO will provide support through programs and initiatives, building capabilities, and offering technical assistance to its members.
I am very proud and I am very confident to see the progress made by the NPO Pakistan and the team on the revamping the government, industry transformation, enhancing national infrastructure in the vision of doubling up the national productivity of Pakistan. And hopefully this cooperation between NPO Pakistan and APO will be continue in the near future, and hopefully we can together enhance, improve, and always emphasizing on the productivity level in our national and all member countries within APO.
A country depends on innovation to be able to produce and exploit new products, services, systems, and processes. According to the Global Innovation Index 2022, Pakistan ranks 87, India 40, and Turkey 37 out of 132 economies. The Global Innovation Index captures the innovation ecosystem performance of countries and tracks the most recent global innovation trends. Although Pakistan's ranking has improved, it indicates a lack of significant investment in innovation in the form of research and development and education. Innovation drives productivity and promotes economic growth. Evidence shows that there is a strong relationship between the economic development of a country and innovation. It plays a vital role in achieving sustainability and competitiveness and leads to sustainable economic growth, which can help countries achieve productivity. Not only policies are needed to encourage innovation, but investment in innovation is also a need of the hour. In 2023 and beyond, productivity will be the key to a sustainable, competitive, and innovative Pakistan.